$2 bills in my wallet.
Yeah. Oh, I love that. Yes, I could take.
The act of you misrepresenting.
Yeah. I'm sure you still could. I'm sure there's a way. Oh, let me see.
A lot of arts and crafts stuff there. I wonder if there's food on the other side. I'm whispering a little bit. There's a lot of people here. Yeah, I'm gonna try to work my way to the other side. This, like I said earlier, the first time I came, it was only this side, but I drove by this morning, and it seems like there's way more booth on the other side too. So I'm kind of curious what's the other side is about. On this side, there's a lot of arts and crafts, and looks like most of these are handmade.
We also have a little shop.
There's a lot of people here. I think the weather's good, so I think a lot of people are coming out. So now I'm across the street. Let me see what's on this side. It's also seems like there's also more arts and crafts. Let's take a look around.
And you sabotage.
They got plants for sale. I don't know what's in the bag there, the mystery bag for $10. The shirts, and I think that's a little what's it, mug, tumbler? Is that what the proper name of it is? I just call them cups. Got shirts, hats, mini donuts. Do you craving for donuts? You don't want a big one? And I like a little hampao. I mean, that's the only word. That's the only thing I know how to call it. I'm not sure what it is in English. Yep, and this is the end of it. So they do have food, drinks at the very end of it. But majority of the stuff here is pretty much arts and crafts. It seems like it's a lot of handmade stuff.
Right now, he's at a shop.
I was just taking pictures to show the guys. Yeah, we have a daisy. That is just she is so cute.
You do come early. The parking gets packed real fast, and you park off the streets and around other businesses around the area. So it get packed up really fast.